If you think all budget reels feel cheap, think again. Today, I'll show you spinning reels under $80 that seriously punch above their price tag. The Cast King Sharky spinning reel immediately grabbed my attention with its rugged construction and surprisingly lightweight feel. Designed to withstand tough conditions, this reel's precise engineering shows as soon as you put it to use. Its 14+1 shielded ball bearings and triple-disc carbon fiber drag system offer remarkable smoothness on the retrieve, even when I was wrestling with more stubborn catches. Drag power is outstanding for its range, and the anti-twist line roller means fewer annoying tangles on those longer casts. The waterproof design adds another layer of reliability, whether you fish freshwater or salt. Have you ever been let down by a reel mid-catch? Sharky's confidence-inspiring performance puts those worries to rest. The Cast King Centron spinning reel is proof that an entry-level price doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality. From the first turn of the handle, this reel gave a smooth, even drag, and its lightweight graphite frame felt comfortable in hand. During those long afternoon sessions, it's equipped with 9 quality ball bearings and an instant stop one-way anti-reverse system, which gave me a sense of total control, especially when reeling in lighter fish. Casting was effortless, and the aluminum spool adds durability you'd expect in pricier models. The Piscifun Viper X spinning reel stands out immediately with its striking design and incredibly smooth operation. Right out of the box, it felt solid yet agile, thanks to its 22-pound max drag and sealed drag system. I was impressed by how effortless retrieval felt, even with aggressive casts. The 10+1 ball bearings deliver that buttery spin anglers crave, and the CNC machined spool radiates a high-quality touch. Plus, its corrosion-resistant build means this reel holds up equally well in fresh and saltwater environments. When you want a reel that exudes strength, the Cast King Megatron spinning reel looks and feels like it can take on anything. The bold, angular design isn't just for show. It's built with an aluminum skeletal frame that packs durability without excess weight. On the water, the Megatron's precision mesh drive gears and 11 bearings ensured a velvety retrieval, even while I tested it in choppy conditions. Its oversized handle gives a confident grip, and the striking look gets attention on any dock. The real benefit? It made me feel in control when things got challenging and fighting bigger fish became less of a gamble. Who says tough can also be smooth? The sleek Cast King Zephyr spinning reel delivers lightweight action that's hard to put down. With a carbon fiber body, this reel practically disappears in your palm, making those long sessions way less fatiguing. I noticed straight away how the Zephyr's 6+1 ball bearings allowed for seamless casting and smooth drag adjustment, which helped me reel in a surprisingly diverse range of fish with total ease. It's clear that weight reduction hasn't come at the cost of strength. This reel still feels sturdy and reliable. There's something satisfying about equipment that lets you just focus on the fun. Could this be your new go-to for finesse fishing? Cast King's Royale Legend fishing reel instantly gives off an air of smoothness and dependability at a budget price. Its graphite frame keeps things light while maintaining great strength through all-day fishing excursions. The high-speed retrieve and precision-machined brass gears were apparent in the first turn, making it a breeze to keep up with fast-running fish. 10+1 ball bearings keep things moving fluently, and the drag remains reliable under pressure. I loved how accessible and manageable it felt right out of the box. Wouldn't you want a reliable workhorse without a learning curve? If anything, the handle feels a bit compact, which could be an issue for those with larger hands. The Cast King Brutus Spincast fishing reel is the definition of simple, tangle-free fishing. I was impressed by how straightforward it was to set up and use. No fuss, no frustration, just quick lines in the water. Its dual pickup system makes hook sets much more reliable, and the smooth drag gave me confidence even with unpredictable fish. The Brutus is clearly engineered for ease with thoughtful touches like a reversible handle and robust construction that can handle bumps and drops. If you want stress-free fishing, what could be more welcome than a reel that does exactly what you expect every single cast? It's not designed for heavy-duty use or giant catches, but as a hassle-free, everyday reel, it excels. As soon as I picked up the big game surf spinning fishing reel, it was obvious this was built for battling larger species without the price tag of premium surf reels. Its massive spool capacity and sturdy design mean you can cast farther and handle those epic runs with real assurance. The retrieve was surprisingly fluid thanks to its precision ball bearings, and the anti-twist line roller did wonders to keep frustration at bay during longer surf sessions. feeling that satisfying thump on the line and knowing the reel can back you up. Doesn't that sound perfect for your next big catch? The weight is slightly more pronounced than lighter inshore reels, but that's a fair trade for its power. The Cast King Verus spinning fishing reel is a standout for those seeking durability and finesse at a mid-range price. Opening the box, the robust aluminum frame felt solid without being cumbersome, a great balance for versatile fishing situations. What I truly appreciated was the super smooth drag system and the immediate anti-reverse, which gave me the precision needed to land trickier fish. The 12+1 bearings and CNC machine spool ensure every cast and retrieve feels ultra premium. You know that feeling when gear just seems to get out of your way and lets you focus on fishing? Verus provides that peace of mind.